Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Good morning friends. I am your Dr. Sadik. Welcome to Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel. Please hit the like button, share this video and comment in the comment box. Today we discuss problems on linear equation. What friends? Problems on linear equation. Let us see the problem. Solve dy by dx plus y by x log x, that is equal to sin 2x by log x. Sin 2x by log x. Solution given. Write on the equation friends. Dy by dx plus y by x log x, that is equal to sin 2x by log x. Say this is 1. This is 1. Now this is like, this equation is like dy by dx plus py, that is equal to q friends. Dy by dx plus py, that is equal to q. Now this equation is friends exactly linear equation. What friends? Linear equation, which is linear equation, which is a linear equation. Now what is solution friends? Solution y into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx. Q into integrating factor into dx. You highlight this one friends. So this is 2. Now what is integrating factor friends? Integrating factor. What is integrating factor? Exactly e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx. Now compare these two equations friends. Compare these two. Now what is p friends? What is p? Come on. Here we have y. Now what are the rest of the terms here? X log x. X log x. So p is equal to 1 by x log x. Now q friends. Q is sin 2x by log x. Q, that is equal to sin 2x by log x. Now I want to find integrating factor friends. Integrating factor e power integral p dx, that is equal to e power integral p friends 1 by x log x dx, that is equal to now what is integration of 1 by x log x friends? Once again, integral of 1 by x log x dx. Integration friends. Now see, e power integral, rearrange the terms here friends. Rearrange the terms like 1 by x divided by log x. Integral of this x can be written as 1 by x log x. Again, if we rearrange the terms here, like we get 1 by x log x, we get again this term friends. So into dx. We know one formula friends. What is formula? Integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx, that is equal to friends log f of x. What friends? Log f of x plus c. Log f of x plus c. So log x derivative is 1 by x. So this can be written as e power log of log x. Okay friends, log of log x. Here we know e power log a, suppose base e friends, base e, then we get a friends, then we get a. Similarly here e power log of log x base e. So we get here log x, log x. So this is integrating factor. Now I want to find solution, friends. From 2 this is solution, friends. y into integrating factor. Integrating factor is log x. That is equal to q into, integral q. What is q? Sin 2x by log x into integrating factor. What is integrating factor? Log x into dx. That is equal to, see friends, log x cancel. Integral of sin 2x, friends, minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. Okay friends, this is y log x. Now I want to write y is equal, friends, y is equal to, so that means divide with log x. So we get here minus cos 2x by 2 log x plus c by log x, which is the required solution. One second, friends. This is like linear equation. So solution is y into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx. Here integrating factor is e power integral p dx. Now compare these two, we get p and q. Find integrating factor. Then we get the integrating factor. Simply substitute y integrating factor q and then evaluate this integration. We get the required solution. Let us see another problem, friends. Solve cos square x dy by dx plus y, that is equal to tan x. Now if you observe the problem, we have an extra term, friends, cos square x. If we divide with cos square x, then we can reduce this equation into linear equation. Let us see the solution. Given cos square x dy by dx plus y, that is equal to tan x. Divide with cos square x, we get. Come on, tell me, friends. Dy by dx plus, we get 1 by cos square x, friends. 1 by cos square x means secant square x into y, that is equal, here also we get 1 by cos square x, that means secant square x into tan x. Now which is a linear equation form, friends? What is linear equation form? Dy by dx plus py, that is equal to q. Okay, which is linear equation. Now compare, friends. What is p? P is secant square x. Q, friends, secant square x tan x. Now what is solution, friends? What is solution form? Y into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx. Say this is 2 and this is 1, friends. 1. What is integrating factor, friends? Integrating factor e power integral p dx. First I want to find integrating factor, friends. So integrating factor e power integral p dx, that is equal to e power integral p. P is secant square x dx, that is equal to e power integral of secant square x dx, friends. We know the formula. What is formula? Tan x. What, friends? Integral of secant square x dx is tan x. So solution are from 2 y. What is integrating factor, friends? e power tan x, that is equal to integral of q is secant square x tan x, integrating factor e power tan x into dx. Now I want to evaluate this integration, friends. So suitable substitution, friends. Very suitable substitution at tan x. So put tan x is equal to t. Now differentiate on both sides, friends. Derivative of tan x is secant square x, and again derivative of x is dx, that is equal to derivative of t is dt. So this integration becomes here integral of, see friends, secant square x dx is dt. Now tan x is t, e power tan x, that means e power t. Okay, friends. Now I want to evaluate this integration, friends. Simply we can remember, friends, but I want to tell the procedure. Say this is a u v, friends. Apply integration by parts. What is integration by parts formula, friends? Integral of uv, that is equal to u integral v minus integral of derivative of u into integral v. Of course we can write there with respect to x or y or, that is up to you, friends. Here we have with respect to t, friends, okay. Say this is u and this is v, friends. What is the formula? That is equal to u means t, integral of e power t, friends. Integral of e power t is e power t minus integral of du, that means du means d by dx of u, friends. Here d by dt of t, is 1, friends. Integral of v is e power t into dt, that is equal to t e power t minus integral of e power t is e power t plus c. So taking common e power t, we get e power t into t minus 1 plus c. That means whenever you observe like this integral t e power t dt, we can write e power t into t minus 1. Friends. Right. What about t, friends? T is tan x. Substitute e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c. What is left hand side value, friends? Y e power tan x. Now divide with e power tan x, friends. We get here y, that is equal to e power tan x cancel. We get here tan x minus 1 plus c by e power tan x, which is the required solution. Once again, friends, divide with cos square x, then you get linear equation. Then compare, friends, we get p and q. What is solution, friends? Y into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx. What is integrating factor? E power integral p dx. Substitute p here, friends, then you get integrating factor, and then you substitute in the solution. Okay, apply some formulas, then we get the required solution. Let us see another problem, friends. Solve e power minus 2 root x divided by root x minus y by root x into dx by dy, that is equal to 1. Now this equation also we can reduce into linear equation. What, friends? Linear equation by rearranging the terms. Let us see. Solution given given e power minus 2 root x by root x minus y by root x into dx by dy, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Now you take this term to the right hand side, friends. Then we get 1 by dx by dy, dx by dy. That can be written as dy by dx, friends. Dy by dx. That is equal to what are the rest of the terms, friends? E power minus 2 root x by root x minus y by root x, Now you transpose y by root x to the left hand side, friends. Left hand side. Then we get dy by dx plus y by root x, that is equal to e power minus 2 root x by root x. Now see, friends, dy by dx plus py, that is equal to q, friends. This is like now linear equation. What, friends? Linear equation, right? This is like dy by dx plus py, that is equal to q. So this is one which is linear equation. What is p, friends? Come on, tell me p. 1 by root x. Q, friends, e power minus 2 root x by root x. What is solution, friends? Solution y into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx. Of course we can write plus c, friends, no problem at all, plus c. Okay, what is integrating factor, friends? Integrating factor e power integral p dx, that is equal to e power integral p, friends, 1 by root x dx, that is equal to integral of 1 by root x, friends, 1 by root x dx. Simple. 2 root x. So we get here e power 2 root x. This is integrating factor. So this is 2 from 2. That means solution, friends. From 2 y integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power 2 root x, that is equal to integral of q. What is q? E power minus 2 root x by root x into integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power 2 root x into dx plus c, that is equal to integral of e power minus 2 root x into e power 2 root x, friends. We get e power 0, value is 1. So finally we get here 1 by square root of x into dx plus c. Again, friends, integral of 1 by root x, 2 root x plus c. So this is the required solution. Once again, friends, you simply dx by dy transpose to the right hand side, then we get dy by dx, that is equal to this one, friends. Simply transpose y by root x to the left hand side, then we get a linear equation. Now compare, we get p and q values here, right on the formula. Okay, and then integrating factor. You first find integrating factor here, later substitute in the solution and simply integrate, then we get the required solution. Hope you understand. If you want any problem or any topic, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.